Which lip is man's lip? Trust your gut feeling. Intuition test. Don't overthink, trust your gut. Choose your path. Who will never betray you? Where is the coin? To which planet is the rocket going to? Which wall is red? What number between 48 and 74 is behind the plane? Follow to discover more psychology content.